Hello everyone, this is going to be a quick video tutorial on setting up the application designer. We're basically going to cover the prerequisite software and installing the application designer for a Windows PC. So to get right to it, the application designer requires a couple of prerequisite software and these are Java, Chrome, Node.js, Grunt, and Android SDK. The link to the documentation will be in the description box so you can follow along as you install. The information is all on this page, and if you have any issues, we have a forum that will be linked in the description box that you can ask questions. Starting out with Java, there is a link to install Java. You just click on the link and you're directed here, and you can agree and download Java. After that, you install it. It's a really quick and easy process. Next, we have Node.js. You can just click on the link in the documentation, which takes you to the Node.js page, and you can decide to install either of them based on your choice. I already have Node.js installed on my PC, so I will not be downloading that. But the instructions are really straightforward. There's also the option to use an automated Node.js installer that uses Chocolatey if you have that on your PC. If you do that, there will be no need to add the location of the npm folder to your path, but if you just download and install Node.js like from the website, you'd have to do that. The instructions for adding folders to your path are on this page too, and I would link that specific section in the description box so you can follow along yourself. Next is Grunt. There is a link as well that you can click on and read about Grunt if you are interested. There is a whole page on getting started and installing the command line interface if you're interested in that. If you are not, there's quick and easy instruction on the documentation page where you can install Grunt globally on your PC. You just open your terminal. It could be command prompt or PowerShell. I will be using command prompt, and I'm just going to type npm install globally grunt CLI. The instructions are pretty straightforward and easy to follow once you have this documentation. It takes maybe a few seconds, maybe about 20 to 30 seconds, and it is done. And as you can see the version here. You can also check, as is on the documentation page, what version of Grunt you have, and it's right there. You have Grunt installed. Next is Android SDK. You go to the Android SDK download page. It is here, and you scroll all the way down to command line tools only. Now you can download the entirety of Android Studio if you want, but you don't need it. You can just download the command line tools. You can click on the link and the download would start, and then you create a folder in your directory that is most likely not your downloads directory, called Android, and you extract the contents of the download there, and there's a CMD line tools folder, and it contains a bin folder and an LIB folder and all the information there. If you follow the instructions and documentations, it's pretty straightforward, and you have like a quick and easy install. It takes a really long time for this, so I will not be doing this in this video, but it is pretty straightforward to do this. After you've done that, for Windows you have to add ADB, which is the Android Debug Bridge, to your PC path. The instructions are right there, and that is